bypass Windows 11 system requirements. Whether your PC doesn't meet the official requirements or you just want to upgrade without the hassle, I've got you covered. So let's get started. First, we need the Windows 11 ISO file. Head over to the official Microsoft website or use a trusted source to download the latest Windows 11 ISO. Make sure to save it to a location you can easily access. Now open your browser and go to the official Microsoft website. Navigate to the Windows 11 download page and select the ISO file option. Now choose your preferred language and download the ISO file. Once the download is complete, you should have a file named something like windows11.iso. This is what you'll use to install Windows 11. Next, we'll create a bootable USB drive. For this, we'll use a tool called Rufus. You can download Rufus from their official website. Go to rufus.ie and you can download the latest version of Rufus. After that, open Rufus and select a USB drive from the device list. Click on the select button next to the boot selection and choose the Windows 11 ISO file you downloaded earlier. Under image option, select extended Windows 11 installation. This will bypass the system requirements check. Click start and wait for Rufus to create the bootable USB drive. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Before we proceed with the installation, it's crucial to back up all your important data. Now, let's install Windows 11. Insert the bootable USB drive into your PC and restart it. You need to access the BIOS or UEFI settings to boot from the USB drive. This usually involves pressing a key like F2, F12 or DEL during startup. Check your PC's manual for specifics. Now, in the BIOS or UEFI settings, find the boot menu and set the USB drive as the first boot option. Save your changes and exit. Your PC will now boot from the USB drive and the Windows 11 process will begin. And that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos.